Inside the frozen archive, an unfinished recording waited beneath layers of dust and frost. A weak amber light returned as ancient controls slowly answered his careful touch. One damaged switch awakened the machine, sending a faint pulse through silent cables.
The broken message carried a familiar voice, and every word changed Elian's journey ahead.
Mara joined him beside the console as the hidden transmission crackled through the room. Across the old map, a forgotten route pointed toward the northern snowfield. The station symbol matched his compass, linking the warning to a distant, buried site. With the clue confirmed, they prepared to leave Frosthaven before the storm arrived. Warm tunnel lights faded behind them as the frozen wilderness opened ahead. The plateau stretched toward dark mountains, silent beneath gathering clouds and restless wind. Each step carried them farther from shelter and deeper into the northern silence. A half-buried marker suddenly flashed, proving the abandoned network still remained active. Mara uncovered an old symbol, while another pulse moved beneath the frozen metal. The compass needle twisted away from north whenever the distant signal returned. Several lights answered at once, turning the empty plateau into a dangerous puzzle. Instead of trusting the glow, Elian counted the time between each returning pulse. The rhythm revealed a safer direction, hidden beyond the brightest false marker. Leaving the visible lights behind, they followed the pattern into darker, untouched snow. A smooth ice field appeared ahead, too perfect and quiet to feel natural. Beneath the clear surface, the outline of a buried structure slowly emerged. Mara heard the hollow echo first and warned them to move with care. Thin cracks spread beneath each step, revealing how little ice supported their weight. They crossed slowly along stronger lines, keeping distance between every careful movement. Without warning, a heavy marker crashed violently through the frozen surface beside them. The broken ice exposed a maintenance hatch, glowing faintly beneath the frozen field. A secured rope gave them one safe path into the buried station below. The narrow shaft swallowed the daylight as warm machinery glowed far beneath. Inside the control room, frozen consoles waited in darkness beneath hanging cables. A brief signal pulse awakened the station, lighting pathways for only a moment. Old gauges flickered alive, then vanished again before their meaning became clear. Each returning pulse revealed another section of the corridor through the frost. Fresh-looking footprints crossed the frozen floor, suggesting someone had entered before them. An opened locker offered no supplies, only proof that another visitor had searched it. Behind frosted glass, a vague silhouette appeared whenever the station lights returned. The shape vanished with the darkness, leaving both travelers unsure they were alone. Following the next pulse, they moved deeper through cables, snow, and abandoned machinery. The final chamber opened around them, centered on one glowing transmission cylinder. A warm light guided him toward the device beneath the suspended mechanism. The expedition symbol confirmed that the cylinder belonged to Elian's missing father. For one silent moment, the recovered message felt closer than any previous clue. Mara noticed the ceiling trembling as loose frost began falling around the platform. The station shook violently, while heavy machinery strained above the circular chamber. There was no time for every file, so he protected the single message that mattered. Emergency pulses guided them back through corridors already filling with snow and debris. They climbed toward the hatch while the buried structure groaned beneath the ice. Cold wind struck them again as both emerged safely onto the open plateau. The saved cylinder remained warm in his hands despite the freezing air. Beyond the ridge, a vertical beam suddenly pierced the clearing night sky.
At last, the compass settled and pointed directly toward the distant light.
Together they faced the northern ridge, knowing the next truth waited beyond it.